To be able to breathe deep down to every cell of your being is the greatest gift of all. Your life is your breath.
Namaste. I'm a media student, and a few days back, when I was thinking of a good social cause to make a documentary, I happened to meet Dr. Ilango. Let's take a look at what happened.
Hello.
Oh, hi. How are you?
What's up?
Nothing's up. Everything is down.
What happened?
Well, I had to create this social, the pressure's so high on me these days because India's a new emerging superpower and this thing is being done for the Vision 2020 and all of a sudden I just go blank. I need a good social cause. HIV's been done, cancer's been done. I mean, we're focusing on diseases. So diabetes has been overdone. Everything has been done. I'm lost. I need another monstrous disease to give me that challenge. Can't you help me?
Sure.
So please have a seat. Tell me. So, what can I? What's new? What's new in the medical field? What can I write about? What can I direct? Please help me.
You want a monster to scare the world, and by scaring the world, this monster is going to make the entire world awake and alert. And that monster's name is you want to know that? Is COPD.
The monster of COPD. Sounds interesting. Please elaborate.
COPD is something which is very alien to this modern world. We all know about ABCD, but COPD means chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. I'll repeat, it is chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. In layman's language, it is called as bronchitis, and it is usually due to cigarette smoking and due to air pollution. That is what COPD is all about, and it is something similar to asthma. Both are diseases of the lungs. The difference between asthma and COPD is, in COPD, because of smoking and air pollution, the lungs get blocked and the disease is slowly progressive and the patient deteriorates, whereas in asthma, it happens usually due to a genetic component, an allergy in the family, and it is totally reversible. The quality of life is better. So you have at one end COPD, which is the monster you're going to talk about, which is amongst the top 5 killer diseases in the world. And at the other end you have asthma, which is a relatively benign, safer disease, better treatment available. That's how it goes.
So, I mean, I've heard of asthma, but what exactly is it?
Asthma is a disease of the lungs. And if you ask me how the lungs are made up of, we have 2 lungs on 2 sides of the body, and each lung is made up of tubes, air tubes, windpipes, filling up 300 million air bubble sacs called alveoli. And asthma is a disease of the airways where phlegm collects because of inflammation inside the lungs. You go down and fall down in a road and you get scraped. That scraping happens because you fall down. That's an injury. The same injury happens in asthma inside due to unknown reasons, due to genetic allergic reasons. Because of that, the windpipes are getting clogged and your breathing is getting affected. You have a breathing problem, cough, phlegm, and what is typically called as wheezing or a musical sound in the chest. So it is otherwise called as wheezy bronchitis. It is an inflammation of the windpipes of the lung. That is what asthma is. And you want me to elaborate on what COPD the difference is? The same mechanism acts, but the trigger, the causative factor for COPD is man-made. That's the greatest difference, because in asthma, if you believe in God, it is God-given through the genes. I mean, you can't avoid it at the age of 40 or 30 or 5. But COPD is totally man-made. It is caused by cigarette smoking and air pollution. Let me also elaborate on this. Amongst the top 5 killer diseases, I'll start. 1, heart attacks. 2nd is stroke. 3rd comes road traffic accidents. Then 4th comes COPD. Nobody knows about COPD. And the 5th is cancer. Now everybody knows about a heart attack, a stroke, a road traffic accident and cancer. But nobody knows about this 4th COPD. Now, COPD is the most dreaded monster the world can ever imagine, and it is so unfortunate that we are not aware of this, and I think this is going to be the starting point of a great journey for us, you in the media and for me in medicine, in taking up India to the next step of awareness in COPD.
So why is asthma also underrated? I've never heard people talk of it that seriously. It's just like, some other symptom that happens on the way.
The reason is because overall in the world, respiratory medicine has lagged behind in development in modern medical care. And that same lag is reflected more in India, which is a developing country. And illiteracy is more. Therefore, the awareness for asthma and COPD, which are respiratory diseases or lung diseases, is down now. Maybe in 1970s and 80s, everybody started knowing about heart attacks and strokes, about endoscopies. Now is the time where respiratory medicine is slowly starting to rise. Where people are going to ask me questions like you are asking about what an inhaler is. You're going to ask me down the line. What is asthma? What is inhaler? What is a spacer device? What is pulmonary function testing? The time has come. The time is now the time for respiratory medicine, for lung diseases, for asthma and COPD.